Hey guys, I get asked all the time where to find free Premiere Pro assets, so today I'm going to show you one of the best places to find them, Mixkit. Mixkit features free stock video, stock music, sound effects, and of course, video templates for Premiere Pro and other programs. Today, I'm going to focus on the video templates, which are all completely free to use for commercial purposes and your YouTube videos. I like the look of this bokeh transition, so let's hop into Premiere so I can show you guys how easy it is to add transitions from Mixkit into your project. To begin, I'll use the Ctrl-I keyboard shortcut to open up the import window, and then find the transition folder that I downloaded and unzipped from Mixkit. Now that we found it, select it and click Import Folder. In the little pop-up, make sure you have Import Entire Project selected, and then click OK. Alright, you should see it in the project panel now, so open up the transition folder. Select the green transition sequence, and toggle the Insert and Overwrite Sequence button so it's white. And then make sure your leftmost V1 track is toggled off. Now, simply drag the transition above your clip on the timeline. And when I play this back, I have a nice looking bokeh transition. Adding titles from Mixkit is even easier. All you have to do is drag your downloaded MoGRT file into the Essential Graphics panel, and then drag your new title from the panel onto your timeline. Okay, this looks good, but of course we'll want to change the text. To do this, just select the text with your text tool and type in your own text. And I'll just do the same thing for my subtitle. And just like that, I have this really professional looking title animation. So yeah, what Mixkit has on offer here is actually pretty incredible. There aren't many places you can go to get so many different creative assets for free, like over 100 different animated titles. There's also entire sections for social media templates like Instagram. And of course, they have plenty of YouTube ones like calls to action and even templates for your YouTube end screen. And don't forget to check out the openers. These are a really cool way to start your videos out and add professionalism. So definitely don't hesitate to check Mixkit out. I included a link below in the description. But that's all from me, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.